Tifa. Tifa. Good girl.
You. Oh.
Then I gotta open this up. Huh? Tifa gets to try some green beans for the first time today. It really smells like green beans. Mix it with pablum a little bit so she can get a little taste of it first. Some pablum and green beans.
Ooh, is that yummy?
Do you like it? You want some more? Whoa. Don't know if she'll take any more. And that's green beans, sweetie. And that's still mixed too. Oh, I don't think she'll eat anymore. Oh, shoot. Mommy made a mess. You don't want to try anymore? It's yummy. Green beans. This is try one spoonful of it by itself. She doesn't even like the smell. Last one! Last one! Is it that bad that it makes you want to throw up? Okay, okay, that's enough. We won't do any more. You wanna try some pablum and green beans? Okay, sweetie, that's it. We're done. I won't feed